The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click into the global search bar. Search for a component. Click into the component that you want to access. Click BOM Data Plus. Click BOM Use. Click into the text box that says replace this component in every BOM where it is used. Type in the component you would like to replace sub 200 across all BOMs where it currently is used. Note, you are replacing sub 200 with PRT11 in this example. Click your component. Click Submit. Search PRT11 to verify the changes were made. Click BOM Data Plus. Click BOM Use. You can see that the replacement was successful. That's it. Now you know how to replace a component in every BOM where it is used.